earnings season is really picking up this week, and we're going to get a lot of reports from the Dow components, so that's always interesting to kind of see what's happening with the overall economy. But who has the best earnings charts? I'm here to bring them to you again, so let's jump right into it. The first one going early this week is UnitedHealth Group, UNH. Now they're a health insurer, but they've strung together this great, beautiful chart here. They haven't missed in 5 years. They just have this phenomenal track record. If you're making a play on whether or not someone's going to beat or miss, this is one you got to have on your short list for sure. As you can see, shares have been boosted after the election, even though no one knows what's going to replace Obamacare. But the health insurers, they're kind of hot right now, so this is one I'm going to be watching for sure. Our next one is another bank, Bank of the Ozarks. They've had a perfect record for a while now. The shares kind of sold off in 2016 after they were attacked by short sellers, but they've rebounded here after the election results, and they seem to be in favor again. But you can't discount their record. They are super consistent, so I'm going to be watching Bank of the Ozarks too. They're a more regional bank. They've invested a lot in big apartment buildings and big construction projects, so that's something to watch for them. And then our third one is not one you might have guessed I would put up here, CSX, one of the railroad companies. You can see they have missed twice. You can barely see that first miss way back there in 2012. If they beat again this quarter, they'll wipe that one off the 5-year chart. But otherwise, they just have that one other miss in 2014. You can see those shares really sold off at the beginning of 2016 and at the end of 2015. Nobody liked the rails. It was like dead industry. But we've really rebounded here. They're at new 5-year highs. So a lot is baked into this beat or miss, whatever they're going to do. But I do like their track record. They have the best track record in the railroad space as far as beats or misses. So if you're looking for one that's very consistent, this is definitely one you need to be watching. I'm going to be covering all of the earnings charts during this earnings season, and you can find out who has the best earnings charts if you tune in here. Now remember, not every company can beat like these three do almost every quarter. In fact, it's really hard to do, but I'll search through all the charts to find the best charts for you if you're playing the beat or the miss. This is obviously information you need to know. Also, if you want to play the options trade, my colleague Dave Bartosiak will be covering a lot of the options trades on a lot of these charts coming in the next couple of weeks. You can check those out on Live Trader, Zach's Live Trader, which is over on YouTube, and you can find it on Zachs.com. So be sure to tune in there if you want the options trade, and be sure to tune in to all of these chart videos if you want to know the beats and the misses.